Hypertherm's annual maintenance plan provides users with incredibly valuable resources, including access to the online knowledge base, live training, unlimited technical support, plus access to all software updates and upgrades. And the best part is, most Hypertherm software users are already enrolled. New customers typically receive a 1-year maintenance plan with their purchase, and the vast majority of users go on to renew at the end of the year, providing them with ongoing support and peace of mind. Here's how you can begin taking advantage of your maintenance plan today. Start by visiting hypertherm.com and logging into the knowledge base or requesting a new account. This is where you'll find all kinds of articles, videos, and training that will make you into a CAM software power user. Once inside the knowledge base, make sure to sign up for training. This is the fastest and best way to get up and running with the software, train new employees, improve your skills, or learn advanced techniques. You'll have access to live webinars, one-on-one sessions, pre-recorded videos, and online courses. Also, keep in mind that work stoppages can be very expensive, so don't hesitate to contact us with your software questions. Your plan includes unlimited technical support, including phone, email, and remote PC assistance. Finally, make sure you're downloading the latest software releases available in the knowledge base. Our developers typically release bug fixes every 2 to 3 months, new features and enhancements every 12 months, and major version upgrades every 24 months. Don't fall behind the competition. Maintenance means that you have access to the latest software technology and the best results for your customers. Maintenance is an exceptional value when you consider the low cost of renewal. If your plan has expired, please contact us today to request a quote.